And today on Have a Knife Day, we're going to be talking about the Alan Folts designed Crkt Ritual. Now, in February, we had Blade Show Texas 2024. And during the various blade shows, the various makers, Crkt included, will have knives slated to be put out to the general public. And the Ritual is no exception in this. Now, these two that we have right here have already been done. I've done a video with these, and as you can tell, I've had them customized. I find that the extreme Persian design on this knife elicits a lot of emotion towards people. They love them, they hate them. I love them. And then you add some Veff'd serrations to them like I have, and well, gee whiz, that is just the 1-2 punch for people. And the good news is that's okay, because these are my knives, and much like jumping out of airplanes, it's not for everyone. And getting some Veff'd serrations and having this really beautiful Persian design knife is not for everybody, but I tell you what, it fits like a glove to me. And there is a lot of wow factor. Now, I've been getting knives through Blade HQ for a while, so when Blade Show Texas ended, I was greatly anticipating the new Ritual. Now, the knife up here, it goes for around $83.95, and it has the Sandvik 12C27 blade, as well as this one does. The only real difference is the fact that this has a white micarta handle, and the other one also has a micarta handle, but as you can tell, well, one is white and one is black. My favorite, always bet on black, baby. That's right. And these are not small knives. The handle length is 5.50 inches. Handle width is 1.37 inches. The blade length is 4.37 inches with an overall length of 9.87. And bearing that in mind plays into what is in this box, because this is the Crkt Ritual Compact. Let me see if I can open this up. The presentation box is very, very nice. It comes with this. And let's see what they have inside of here. Designed by Alan Folts in Melbourne, Florida. Damascus steel blade. Carbon fiber handle with Damascus steel bolster. Limited edition of 1,000. And gee whiz, who doesn't want another sticker? So there you go. And we'll put this off on the side. I really do enjoy Damascus blades. We're going to open this up. And we're going to see that they gave us, if I'm not mistaken, this is a microfiber towel. And here it is. So, what you're going to really see is that when they say the word compact, they are very, very serious. This one could cuddle up to its bigger brother without any problems. But what I really want to share with you is this beautiful carbon fiber with the blue flecks in it, the beautiful Damascus bolster. This is a flipper. These, now you can see the size comparison a little bit better. These are spring assisted. This one is not. So you do have the thumb studs, and please notice the anodized blue thumb stud. So this is not running off of springs. This is not a spring assisted. But here you go, you see it's part of the family. You can see its lineage with this extreme Persian design. And the Damascus, it's a beautiful blade. We have Crkt here. See if I can give you justice. There it is. And then over here, we're going to see, let me see if I can pinch up on this here for you. There you go. Folts design, and this has a number 7466 on it. And once again, now you can see the anodized blue pocket clip, the beautiful blue infused carbon fiber, the bolsters, and that beautiful blade. So now we'll bring ourselves back there. Hang on, I hope you didn't get seasick. Now, the blade on this knife, it's a trailing point blade made from Damascus steel. It has an overall length of 7.25 inches. The blade length is 3.33 inches. Blade thickness is a 0.13. Blade material is Damascus. Blade style, trailing point, finish Damascus. Edge type plain. Handle length is 4.01 inches. Handle material carbon fiber. Color black, weighing in at 3.80 ounces. Compared to the others that weigh in at 6.13. User right hand. So does this have anywhere that, nope, this is right hand only. Sorry, lefties. Manual flipper, thumb stud, liner lock, brand Crkt Ritual Compact, designer Alan Folts, country of origin, China. Everyday carry, and this is a knife, gee whiz. The incredible design of the Crkt Ritual now comes to us in a compact version. The Ritual Compact seeks to be more manageable with an overall shorter length. It still brings you the same impact that the normal Ritual has. This pocket knife has a striking appearance that borrows its inspiration from ancient Persian blades. If you're looking for a unique yet effective knife, this one is for you. Now I'm going to show my age. Back in the day, watching Warner Brothers, Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, there was a one of their cartoons, Daffy Duck, that they were, you know, the classic back and forth between Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck. They're in the desert, and they come upon a hidden hoard of treasure, and there is a turban guy with a big Persian blade, a big sword, and he runs around shouting Hassan Chop. And this blade style does remind me, mind you, in a pocket knife size, of that very sword. Now the controversy. One of these knives is not like the others. One of these knives is not the same. Now, brace yourself. I'm going to be sending this off to my good friend, Tom Veff in Oregon City, Oregon. I am going to be getting this knife, not fully serrated, but 50-50. From here to here, straight, from here to here. I'm going to get 1/2-inch serrations on it. So I'm going to put a little bit of extra teeth on this. Now, for some of you purists, and especially those who love Damascus, this is going to be a cardinal sin. That's okay. I shall absolve myself later on. My goal is to make something unique, particular to myself. And putting some Veff'd serrations for me is one of those go-to things. As long as Mr. Veff walks this earth, by gosh, I'm going to be getting his serrations and help his grandchildren get through college. And there you go. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Don't worry, I'm not going to grab your knives and put serrations on them. No, I don't think it's sacrilege. And once again, just appreciate that I'm just one of those crazy people who will go out there and do crazy things. So this also came in another color, and that would be brown. 1-2C27 steel micarta with stainless steel bolster handle. I'm going to put a picture of that up for you. And it is also a good looking knife, but I tell you what, now this one comes in at a healthy $275. The black comes in at $110, and the original one came in a little over $83. So if you are feeling a little lightheaded when it comes to this, but you want to get a compact, the other style done in brown and copper is coming in at $94. Well, there you go, my friends. Another crazy adventure with the Have a Knife Day man himself, Mr. Rexu. And I'm going to be sending this off to Mr. Veff tomorrow. And with that in mind, we will be right back. Please stay tuned. And welcome back to the Have a Knife Day table. Time has gone by and Mr. Veff has sent us back our knife. As we can tell, its two bigger brothers are waiting for it. So let's go ahead and open it up. And here he is. And there is the blade with four, count them, 4 half-inch Veff serrations. Decided to go for the 50-50, unlike its brothers over here. So we have this beautiful, highly conveffed edge he has put on there, as he says himself. It's really shiny. Tell you what, you can see yourself in that edge. And we'll take a look at the other side. It's very striking. I mean, the knife is beautiful. The knife is striking by itself. But with the serrations, man, it's fantastic. So let's go ahead and see if we can make room for baby. And there you go. The Alan Folts Ritual, this is the compact liner lock carbon fiber 3.3 Damascus. I tell you what, I would have loved to seen this in that size. Oh, holy smokes. But that does not detract from the beauty of the Damascus, the attention to detail, all this beautiful carbon fiber, the bolsters, the blade, the anodization, the pocket clip, the whole 9 yards. This is a beautiful little knife. And I've talked to Alan before, and one of these days I would love to be able to interview him and share that experience with you. You know, God willing and the river don't rise, and maybe we can make that happen someday. But I really, really do enjoy this blade design because it is, what can I say? You pull one of these out, and that's an attention getter, no matter the size of the knife. So the question is, if you want to get a hold of Mr. Veff, he is a bit old school, so you can only contact him via email. There you go. I got that out. That was painful for me and maybe painful for you too. So this is what he will send you. Now, mind you, you also have to send him a picture of your knife that you want to have done, and he will reply to you and attach this to it, fill out all of the relevant information, and send it off to him. I would like to go back and visit him in Oregon City, Oregon again. There are great places to eat around there, not to mention that we're not too far away from Tillamook, and if you are like me, I really enjoy Tillamook ice cream and cheese, etc., etc. You know, and with a knife like this, you surely could cut the cheese. All right. And with that, thank you so much for coming on this adventure with me today. What are your thoughts on serrations? Now, mind you, this is not a knife that you would want to take into the forest and baton a bunch of wood with. Let's talk about the right tool for the right job. But I tell you what, if you want something beautiful in your pocket, practical for other things, well, gosh, this is it. And it would be a nice thing to add to your collection. Well, thank you so much for spending time here with me today. Appreciate it. please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. We do have an Etsy channel with Have a Knife Day merchandise. Hey, hey. And as always, have a knife day.
We will